Welcome back to Noir Velocity. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting midsize sedans of the year, the 2026 Toyota Camry XSE Hybrid. If you're looking for a car that blends bold styling, impressive fuel economy, cutting-edge technology, and family-friendly practicality, then stay with me because this new Camry might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Toyota has taken one of the world's most trusted sedans and transformed it into something even more refined, more efficient, and surprisingly more exciting to drive. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Camry XSE Hybrid makes a strong statement. The aggressive front fascia features an oversized gloss black grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, sculpted body lines, and a sleek aerodynamic profile that gives it a premium sports sedan appearance. The exclusive XSE trim adds black accents, larger alloy wheels, a sporty rear diffuser, and a subtle rear spoiler that perfectly balances elegance with athletic character. Whether parked in your driveway or cruising through the city, this Camry demands attention without trying too hard. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice Toyota's attention to detail. The cabin feels modern, spacious, and far more luxurious than previous generations. Premium leather-trimmed sports seats with contrast stitching provide excellent comfort during both short commutes and long family road trips. Soft-touch materials cover the dashboard and doors, while brushed metallic accents and customizable ambient lighting create a premium atmosphere. The panoramic glass roof fills the cabin with natural light, making every journey feel open and relaxing. The technology inside is equally impressive. Dominating the dashboard is a large touchscreen infotainment system with crisp graphics and fast response times. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing effortless smartphone connectivity. A fully digital instrument cluster displays navigation, hybrid efficiency data, and driving information in a clean, customizable layout. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, voice commands, premium JBL audio, and an available head-up display ensure that every passenger enjoys a connected and entertaining ride. Under the hood is where the biggest story begins. The 2026 Toyota Camry XSE Hybrid combines Toyota's latest hybrid system with a responsive gasoline engine to deliver smooth acceleration and remarkable efficiency. Power delivery feels immediate thanks to the electric motor, while transitions between electric and gasoline power are nearly seamless. Whether you're driving through heavy city traffic or merging onto the highway, the Camry feels confident, refined, and surprisingly energetic. Toyota has also improved suspension tuning for the XSE trim, giving the sedan sharper handling without sacrificing ride comfort. Steering feels more precise, body roll is reduced, and the overall driving experience is quieter than ever before. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Camry Hybrid's greatest strengths. Drivers can expect outstanding mileage that significantly reduces fuel costs while also lowering emissions. For families, commuters, and anyone who spends a lot of time behind the wheel, this means fewer visits to the gas station and more money saved throughout the year. Comfort is another area where the Camry truly shines. Both front and rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making long-distance travel relaxing for everyone. Heated and ventilated front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, rear air vents, and impressive cabin insulation create a peaceful environment regardless of outside conditions. The large trunk easily accommodates luggage, groceries, strollers, or sports equipment, making this sedan surprisingly practical for everyday family life. Safety has always been one of Toyota's biggest priorities, and the 2026 Camry XSE Hybrid raises the bar once again. Toyota Safety Sense includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and proactive driving assist. Combined with multiple airbags, a reinforced body structure, and advanced driver assistance features, the Camry provides confidence every time you get behind the wheel. Another reason buyers continue to choose Toyota is long-term reliability. The Camry has built a reputation over decades for dependable performance, low maintenance costs, and excellent resale value. The hybrid system has also proven itself to be one of the most reliable in the automotive industry, giving owners additional peace of mind for years to come. Pricing is expected to remain competitive considering everything this sedan offers. While official prices may vary by market and optional packages, the 2026 Camry XSE Hybrid delivers outstanding value by combining premium styling, advanced technology, exceptional fuel economy, and Toyota's legendary reliability into one complete package. Instead of paying luxury brand prices, buyers get premium quality with significantly lower ownership costs. So who is this car really for? It's perfect for families needing comfort and safety, professionals wanting efficiency without sacrificing style, daily commuters looking to save money on fuel, and anyone who appreciates modern technology wrapped in a sophisticated design. The 2026 Toyota Camry XSE Hybrid proves that you no longer have to choose between performance, comfort, practicality, and efficiency. You can have all four in one beautifully engineered sedan. If Toyota delivers everything we've discussed today, the 2026 Camry XSE Hybrid could easily become one of the best family sedans on the market and continue the Camry's legacy for another generation. Thanks for watching Noir Velocity. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth coverage of the newest cars before they hit the streets, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next automotive adventure. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.